Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful vintage home decor with country style. Let's start the video. Vintage home decor with country style is a warm, nostalgic decorating approach that combines the charm of old-fashioned items with the comfort and simplicity of country living. It often includes elements from the past, especially the 1920s to the 1970s, and blends them with rustic farmhouse or cottage-inspired details. Key features: antique or repurposed furniture, its own wood paintings, distressed finishes, and vintage finds like pie sets, hutches, or farmhouse tables, often painted in soft colors like cream, chaise, or dark egg blue. Natural materials use wood or the iron, linen, cotton, and wicker are commonly used. Exposed wooden beams or shiplap walls enhance the country feel. A soft, cozy color palette, muted tones such as ivory, hilly blue, soft rose, and earthy browns. Use floral, gingham, and tall patterns are common in fabrics and wallpaper. Use vintage accessories like messengers, enamel pictures, old clocks, tin sign, milk glass, and antique kitchenware. Handmade or heirloom items like coiled or crocheted dollies. Cottage garden influence, fresh or dried flowers in vases, botanical prints, and a lived-in airy atmosphere. Use farmhouse and country accents. Use open shelving, apron front sink, rustic ladder shelves, or barn doors. Use chickenware, galvanized metal, and baskets. Add a down-to-earth vibe. Here is a more in-depth look at vintage home decor with country style, including its origins, elements, and how to bring the look into your home. Origins and inspiration. This style draws from early American farmhouses, European countryside homes, especially French, English, and Scandinavian. Mid-20th century vintage pieces from flower markets and antique stores. It embraces imperfections, stories behind objects, and a connection to simpler times. It is both nostalgic and comforting, with a lived-in, welcoming vibe. Core characteristics: aged and time-worn look. Pieces often show wear, chipped paint, patina, or faded fabrics. The goal is authenticity, the charm. Nothing should feel too polished or brand new. Mix of old and new, antiques or vintage style items mixed with modern comforts. Reproductions or DIY projects like chalk painted dressers blend seamlessly with authentic finds. Textiles and patterns, materials, linen, cotton, burlap, lace, ticking stripes. Patterns use florals, gingham, plaid, tulle, and crane sack stripes. Use layered textiles, quilts, ruffled pillows, curtains, add coziness. Color shape, soft and faded colors dominate. Neutrals, ivory, beige, taupe. Pastels, mint green, blush pink, sky blue. Accents, muted mustard, chess green, burnt red. Decorative accessories, vintage kitchenware, enamel bowls, old red boxes, skills. Rustic decor, lanterns, crafts, sign with script or firm sayings. Botanical elements, potted herbs, dried lavender, and floral prints. Use farmhouse style, farmhouse table, one-set chairs, ladderback, or spindle-back setting. Use upholstered furniture with slip covers in cotton or linen. Use cabinets with glass drawers, distressed dressers, or open shelving. Jugs and baskets for storage, functional and beautiful. How to style each room. First, living room. Use a slip-covered sofa, wooden coffee table, window side table. Hang old window frames, mirrors, or botanical prints. Add a gallery wall of vintage photos or collected plates. Kitchen. Use open shelving with mismatched dishes or messengers. Use apron front farmhouse sink. Also use a window table as an island or potting beds. Bedroom. Use iron bed frames or painted wood beds. Use duffel bed linen, window squares, and lace curtains. Repurpose old doors as headboards or room dividers. Bathrooms. Use pedestal sinks or vintage vanity. Use freestanding clawfoot tub. Use crates or baskets for towel storage. Why to shop the look? Check the stores, flower markets, and Textiles. Use online vintage shops like Stick, Cherries, and eBay. Substyles within vintage country decor. This style can take many forms depending on the influence. Here are a few popular subtypes. Prince Country Vintage uses ornate curved furniture with distressed finishes. Use warm neutrals, soft lavenders, and gold accents. Use tall fabrics, candelabras, and rustic elegance. English Cottage Country uses cozy clutter, books, t-shirts, layered textiles. Use floral fabrics and wallpaper. Also use painted wood furniture in greens and creams. American farmhouse windows, functional hearth furniture. Uses galvanized metal, barn wood, and vintage stick-neck. Also use messengers, antique tools, and farmhouse sinks. Scandinavian country, light wood tones, white walls, and minimal clutter. Use soft textiles, candles, and natural light. Use open rugs, fine furniture, and neutral palettes. Design philosophy, beauty in the imperfect. Vintage country style celebrates Shabby principles, appreciating ace, art, and the handmade. Sustainability, reusing, repurposing, and valuing what lasts. Storytelling, speed reflects history or personal memory. Nothing is sterile or impersonal. Every object feels like it belongs and has meaning. Lifestyle influence, more than just a look. This style often reflects a solo living mindset. cooking from scratch, gardening and nature, homemade and handmade goods, entertaining in a welcoming and pretentious space. Your home becomes a sanctuary rooted in tradition, comfort, and charm. Time to achieve an authentic look. Start small. Add a vintage table runner, animal jugs, or antique mirror. Mix old and new. Pair a modern sofa with an old quilt or rustic coffee table. Embrace patina. Don't over refinish furniture, chipped paint, and aged metal and soul. Use layers. Rugs over wood floors, throw blankets over chairs, lace over cotton. Tell a story, display heirlooms, travel finds, or handmade decor proudly. DIY when you can. Chalk paint an old dresser, sew vintage fabric pillows, or create rustic shelves. Crowd slowly. Let your space evolve with meaningful pieces of a time. Seasonal decorating tips spring or summer. Use lightened fabrics, use fresh flowers, and add pastel accents. Time to fall. Incorporate plate throws, dyed flowers, copper or amber glass. Winter. Use cozy layers, candlelight, and vintage holiday decor like mercury glass ornaments or hand knitted stockings. Textures, the heart of vintage country. Texture adds warmth and authenticity. In this style, think of the layers you see and feel. Raw textures use weathered wood, burlap, linen, wicker baskets. Soft textures use cotton, quilts, lace, velvet cushions. On surfaces use distressed paint, chipped enamel wire, rusted metal. Use natural elements like dried flowers, jugs, stone, or terracotta. By layering textures, you can create a tactile space that feels cozy and lived in. Lighting soft, warm, and old world. Lighting in vintage country decor is not harsh or modern. It is soft, golden, and atmospheric. Candlelights with crystals or earth iron, even if small. Table lamps with fabrics or plated shades. Lantern style lighting or wall sconces with candle bulbs. Lantern style lighting or wall sconces with candle bulbs. Use string lights or fairy lights for a magical evening glow. Vintage oil lamps or hurricane lamps for authenticity. Wall treatments and finishes. Your walls are a canvas for texture, color, and character. Your sheep lamp or bedboard for that rustic cottage charm. Floral or tile wallpaper in muted tones or vintage inspired prints. Distress paint techniques like whitewashing or lime washing. Gallery walls with old family photos, botanical prints, antique frames, or vintage sign. Color tip: try soft whites, dark egg blue, shades green, faded rose, or creamy yellows. Creative storage with vintage flair. Country homes priorities function and charm in storage solutions. Use old dressers or sideboards. Use as bathroom vanities or hallway storage. Use vintage crackers, baskets, or wooden boxes for linens, books, or pantry items. Use glass jars, tins, and crocks for kitchen storage like flowers, sugar, herbs, etc. Wall hooks or pig rails to display aprons, hats, or drying herbs. Everything serves a purpose, but it is also looks beautiful while doing it. Blending styles, making it your own. You can mix vintage country with other designs themes for a unique result. Modern country, clean lines plus rustic textures. A sleek sofa with barnwood coffee table. Vintage glam country. Add crystal candelabras, gold framed mirrors, or velvet textiles. Industrial country. Combine metal accents like exposed pipes or Edison bulbs with distressed wood. Boho country. Add mimicry, rattan, and global patterns to soften the vintage rustic feel. The key is balance. Mix without losing the soul of the space. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.